back in August of 2022, I was having a ladies' night at the casino. I left and ended up getting pulled over for a possible drunk driving. After I was pulled over, I was asked to do a field sobriety test. And at one point, the walk and turn activity, I was even positioned to walk up a grassy hill, which made no sense to me. So something wasn't registering as fair in my mind, so I knew that I wanted to absolutely pursue a legal team to help. So there are obviously a lot of fears associated with a situation like this, and I just knew that I wanted the best in my corner, so I didn't have to look far. Harley came highly recommended.
My name is Harley Wagner. I've been practicing law for 26 years, but the last 13 plus years, my law practice has been exclusively focused on driving under the influence cases and citizens accused of driving under the influence throughout the state of West Virginia. The thing I'm most passionate about with my clients is that 95% of them that come to me, they've never been in trouble in their lives. They've got careers, promising futures, and things on the line, things that matter. And it's very, very important to me in turn because I identify with each and every one of them. When I very first interact with a prospective client, that is when they are usually at their worst, because the overwhelming majority of my clients, they have never been in the criminal justice system and are good people from all walks of life that got themselves in a little spot and need my help. And their shame, their embarrassment, they've been in jail overnight for the first time in their life, and it's a very, very terrifying experience. And I relate to that right away. And I think that once I'm able to talk to them, almost universally, the response I'll get is, I feel so much better just having talked to you. And I let them know that, we're going to be together for a while, but I promise you will come out of this better than you come to me. You don't want a will or a divorce attorney handling your DUI case. You want somebody that's experienced and well-trained in DUI defense. And that is what the Wagner Law Firm provides.
So thankfully, after it was all said and done, my result was the best possible result I could have hoped to achieve. I had no DUI, I had no interlock, and I had no more stress facing me or my family. So I would say from the very first interaction I had with Harley, he was nothing but reassuring and very professional. I could just tell that he would have my back, and there was never any judgment coming from him, so I really appreciated that. There's no possible way I could have managed this on my own. I definitely needed the best to help me.
When you're on the fence whether to hire a DUI attorney, I always say that you really cannot afford not to.